So we want to make our elevator moving to the height that we can set in the elevator. This variable is exposed here because we set it as editable. Here, height is editable, so we can change it in the editor, which is very nice. So here is an elevating timeline, and I think the best way is to our timeline to control the ratio of the height that we want to have in the time. So let's add a float track and call it height ratio. I have a problem with typing again. Okay, so in time 0 we want our elevator to be at 0 height, yeah, exactly. But on the time of, let's say, 5 seconds, I checked use last keyframe, but the timeline is 5 seconds long, so it would not change anything right now, but I just click it. Okay, we want full height of our elevator after this 1 second, so I will say it's 1. So we have a value from 0. From 1, 0 will be no elevating, it will be height 0 when it started, but value of 1, it's a full height. So let's make it nice and smooth. Okay, and let's go back to event graph. So every update we want to, I will get a static mesh, and let's do set relative location. So it's it will be its you know what, I will move it back to 0, 0, 0. It will be easier. Just it's basic tutorial, so let's make it easy. Okay, so what is a relative location? Relative location, it's the location relative to its parent. So our parent is a default scene root, which is some point, and it's like a position of our whole actor. And if we move this mesh, we can see that it's moved relative to the start of actor, to this default scene root. So that's the relative location. We can see relative location here in editor. Let's see, it's 0, 0, 0, so it starts exactly in the same place that its parent, that its default scene root. But if we set it to 2 meters, now we can see it's 2 meters above default scene root. So we can use this property to move our elevator. It will be moved from the place when it's put in the editor. So the default scene root will stay in the place we put it in the editor, you can see, but our mesh of platform and our collision box, they will move relative to it. So okay, that's what we want. So let's just set new location of our relative location. We have a height ratio here, so if it will reach 1, we have full height. So let's just multiply it by height. So if it will reach 1 multiplied by height, whatever it will be, it will always be full height. Okay. And next thing, we want our location. We want just to set z value. So let's right click make it split and connect height multiplied by height ratio to our new location. Okay, so now our height should start to move after our platform is light up. And there's a second thing, we want to know how high our elevator should go. I think I will just it's not the best idea maybe. Okay, let's say now we are on 140 centimeters high, and we want to know how high from this point our elevator should go. So let's put it when we want it. I think we want it like just here. I will move it from our tower a little bit. Okay, so you can see our height is 1290. So let's do a basic math. Boom, it's height that we want to go is exactly this amount of centimeters from the place where we start. So let's put it here in the height. So after the player will go step on the platform, we wait for 2 seconds, check if the player is still on the platform, and if he is, we'll start playing our there's typo again, our timeline of brightness. So we will update brightness smoothly, it will start to glow, and when it's finished we will move forward and start elevating our platform. Okay, and we here this time I will change the height ratio from 0 to 1 and we'll multiply it by height. So in the end we will have a full height and set it to the Z location, so it will go up. Let's check it, how it's working. 2 seconds delay. Now it's light up. Whee! And we are moving smoothly and nicely. We can stay here, wait here, and we will, when we go out, the glow, it goes back to black and the elevator moves back. So now I can jump back from it, but if the player would step out from the platform, you can see it's going back, so the player can still go up. So it's the easiest way to have a platform, because player always can jump down to get down, and if he wants to get up, then we just step on the platform. And thanks for watching. That's all for it. Bye.